A vehicle that crashes into another car or object will experience some sort of damage, be it a busted headlight, cracked windshield, deployed airbag, or even destruction. Collision insurance helps cover the vehicle owner's repair costs and gets the vehicle back on the road quickly. But that's not all there is to know about collision insurance. Keep watching to find out more. Collision insurance basics. The Perazzo Law Firm recommends collision insurance for vehicle owners that drive expensive vehicles, use their vehicle to earn a living, need their vehicle to provide well-being for their family, drive vehicles that are leased or financed, and don't want their car sitting in a repair shop months after an accident. With collision insurance, your vehicle will be covered after an accident regardless of fault. If you're at fault, there is no other policy that will cover your vehicle's damages, and you will be left to pay for your damages. Unfortunately, collision insurance does not cover against damage to other vehicles, theft, damage from natural disasters, flooding, and injuries or damage to you or third parties getting back on the road. Most of our clients are eager to get back on the road as quickly as possible after an accident. And if you need to get behind the wheel quickly, this is the coverage to have. If you do not carry collision coverage, getting your car or truck out of the shop after a not-at-fault accident may take longer, because the other party's insurance provider will most likely investigate the accident in order to determine fault, evaluate the extent of damages, and verify grounds for a compensation settlement. The Miami-based Perazzo Law Firm reminds collision insurance policy holders that this type of insurance has a coverage limit, usually based on the fair market value of the vehicle at the time of the accident. Thus, if the vehicle is totaled and you owe more than the car is worth, you may still be on the hook to the finance company for the difference, unless you purchase gap insurance, as we will discuss in another video. Common delays and setbacks. Vehicles involved in collisions may spend more time than necessary in a repair shop. This can be due to many factors, but the main reasons are insurance provider investigation, delays in drafting, inputting, and gathering police reports, inspection of the vehicles involved, delays in reaching a compensation settlement, delays in reaching insured parties and witnesses, errors in the police report, and more. Carrying out the investigation and gathering information will take time. Furthermore, sending out an adjuster to verify damage may also take up valuable time. All of this can be averted if you carry collision coverage because it will quickly pay for your repairs. You simply pay the deductible and your insurance takes care of the rest. If you were not at fault, they will even attempt to collect what they paid and your deductible through a process known as subrogation. Without collision insurance coverage, you may have to come out of pocket and hope the other motorist is properly insured. All this can be avoided by simply carrying collision coverage. The Perazzo Law Firm reminds motorists that even though they may think they are not at fault, there's always a chance that they may be held liable for at least part of the accident. Thus, hiring a dedicated and professional car accident attorney to handle your case is fundamental for a successful claim. Contact us online or call 786-LAWS-411 for a free initial consultation. We provide zero out-of-pocket costs to our car accident clients. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.